Hello friends and welcome to the new chapter Problem on Clocks. So we will learn this chapter by numericals. So see the first question. How many times the hands of clock coincide every day? Hour hand and minute hand will coincide like this or like this. So how many times in a day? So if you see at 12 o'clock they first coincide, first time when they coincide, then second time when they will coincide, they will not coincide in between 12 to 1. There will be no case where they will overlap or coincide between 12 to 1, but they will coincide between 1 to 2. So this is the second time. Similarly, you can say in between 2 and 3. Similarly for 3 and 4. Similarly for 4 and 5, this is the fifth time that they coincide. 5 to 6, sixth time. 6 to 7, seventh time. 7 to 8, eighth time. 8 to 9, ninth time. 9 to 10, 10th time. 10 to 11, 11th time. Again, from 11 to 12, they will not coincide. So total in 12 hours, they coincide for 11 times. So for a day, we have 24 hours. So they will coincide for 22 times. And the answer is 22. Now, see the question number 2. Question number 2 is, what is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand at 20 minutes past 4 o'clock? Now friends, this is important here to understand that we will not consider the seconds hand. In the clock problems, you will never see a question related to seconds hand. So we only concentrate our problem to the minutes hand and hours hand. If you see, what is the question? The question is, what is the angle between the minute hand and hour hand at 20 minutes past 4 o'clock? So the position of the clock will be something like that. And the question is about this angle which is delta theta. You have to find this angle delta theta when the time is 4 hours and 20 minutes. So the hour hand will be little bit ahead of the minute hands. So minute hand is shown by black color and hour hand is shown by red color. So I will give you a standard formula to remember. And this is the only one formula that you need to remember in this chapter. And what is the formula? Delta theta is equal to 0.5 60h minus 11m. This is the simple formula. So what you see in this problem, what is hour? So my h is 4 hours. And what is my minute? Minute is 20. So what is this angle delta theta is equal to? 0.5 into 60 into 4 minus 11 into 20. So what you get? 0.5 into 240 minus 220, which is 10 degree. So this answer is in always degrees. So the answer is 10 degree. This is the answer. Now, one more thing which I would prefer you to remember, that 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. This is the another thing which you have to remember and is very easy to understand also. How? That minutes hand move total one circle, then it covers 360 degree, and 360 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So you can say 1 minute 6 degree. So simple. So you have to just remember two things. One is this and another is this, and then you can solve each and every problem. Now let us see the third problem. Now what it says, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock are the two hands of the clock coincide? Now he is asking for the correct time. So what is its mean? So he is asking for this time. So it is very simple. You just have to remember our previous formula, that the angle is 0.5 60h minus 11m. Now when they coincide, so delta theta is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0.5 60h minus 11m. Now hour is how much? 4 hour. We don't know about minutes. We know that it is in between 4 and 5. So hour is 4. So put that. So what you get? 60 into 4 minus 11m. So what you get? 240 divided by 11, which is equal to 21.81 minutes. So at 21.81 minutes past 4 o'clock, they will coincide. So what is the time between 8 and 9 o'clock when the two hands of a clock are in a straight line? So there can be two cases, friends. One, when they coincide, then they are in the straight line, and second is this case. So we can have two cases. So for first case, when he is asking for the straight line, this can be also one of the case. So in a straight line means what is the angle? Angle is 180 degree. And what is my formula for the angle? It is 0.5 60h minus 11m. So put delta theta equal to 180 degree, 0.5, we know hour that it is already 8. So 60 into 8 minus 11 into m, I don't know. So I don't know minutes when it will happen, but it will happen in between 8 and 9. So if you solve, what you get? 360 is equal to 480 minus 11m. So if you solve, what you get m is equal to 10.90 minutes. So what is the time? Time is 10.90 past 8 o'clock. When both the minutes and the hour hand is at a straight line, which is 180 degree. The second time when they will be, it will be when they coincide. Now in this case also they are at a straight line. So we already solved this. So what you have to do? Put delta theta is equal to 0, and what you will get? 0 is equal to 0.5 60 into 8 minus 11m. So when you solve this, you will get m is equal to 43.63 minutes, and that is the answer. So 43.63 past 8 is the time when they will be at the straight line. So you just have to remember this formula and your all problem will be solved. Problem number 5. At what time between 5 and 6 are the hands of the clock are at right angle? So what right angle means? 90 degree. So what you see, there can be two cases. What are those cases? So if you see, the two cases are when the minute hand is lagging the hour's hand, then I have 90 degree angle, and second is when minute hand is ahead of the hour hand. So this is black is my minute's hand and red is my hour's hand. So there can be two cases, but we have only one formula, and what that formula is? Delta theta is equal to 0.5 60h minus 11m. So this is my formula. Now how to do it? The thing is very simple. Once first time you put plus 90 degree and second time you put minus 90 degree. That is the whole concept. So if you put plus 90 degree, what you will get? 0.5 60h minus 11m. When you solve this by putting h is equal to 5. In both the case I will have the value h as 5. So when I put h is equal to 5, I get m is equal to 10.9. Okay. And when I put minus 90 and same equation, when I put h is equal to 5 and I have angle minus theta, which is minus 90 degree, then what I get? M equal to 43.63. So this is this case, and for this one you have this case. So these are the two cases. Whenever you have angle, you can have two cases, and for that what you have to do? You have to put once plus theta and second time you put minus theta. So simple. Now see the next problem. At what time between 4 and 5 are the hands of a clock are 2 minutes spaced apart? So at 4 and 5, now what you have to do? 2 minutes. So 2 minutes you will convert it to the degrees. And what I told you, that 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. So 2 minutes is equal to is 12 degree. So in our formula you will put plus minus 12 degree. So you will get two values. So what you have to do? Delta theta is equal to 0.560 h minus 11 m. Now what you will do? Put h is equal to 4 because it is between 4 and 5 hour. So put h equal to 4 and theta equal to 12. So when you put plus 12, what you will get? 0.560 into 4 minus 11 m. If you solve this, you will get m equal to 19.63. 19.63 past 4, they will at 2 minutes apart. Now there can be second part also. When we put theta equal to minus 12. So what we get? Minus 12 is equal to 0.560 into 4 minus 11 m. So you will get m equal to 22.90. 22.90 past 4, I will be having the hour hand and minute and hand at 2 minutes apart. So friend, this is the first part of the clocks. In the second part, I will take some tough and some new problems related to clocks. Thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot of things. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please write a comment for any suggestion which you want to give me. Also, you can WhatsApp me for any query or any doubt which you are facing while watching the video. Thank you. Enjoy civil engineering.